But yeah, that's my idea. Basically, like airship advertising. The thing is, the new airship is like super easy to fly compared to the last one. So today we are inflating the blimp, and this is everything we've got. Okay, so we're gonna be inflating the blimp today. We've got everything we need right here. Pretty simple now. Basically, all I'm gonna have to do is inflate the envelope and then stick on the adhesive part, so then basically it's ready to fly. So I did buy this from a Chinese manufacturer, so it does say the Soviet Union on them, and it says CCCP, so it is what it is. So it's really simple to inflate this. These Mylar balloons have like this adhesive end at the end where it just basically irons it. Pretty simple to inflate. Let me see a second here. Here goes nothing. I think we're looking pretty good here. Looking like a good one. And there you go, it's inflated. So, as you can see, it's got the shark on there, CCCP, Soviet Union. So I guess we're communists for now. But we'll talk about that later. Alright, let's get the fins off. They're just foam, they don't move or anything. They have the extra weight needed to keep them buoyant enough, just unbuoyant enough to fly. So, here we go. do you think? Should we hide the CCP or? Let's go this side. Okay, so it looks like my phone actually timed out. Looks like my phone timed out halfway through that, but so I got the fin attached right there, as you can see, and I got the propellers attached. There's one on the nodes, one right there. It's pretty simple to set up. You just line the nose up first, and then you kind of just tighten it back so the bottom propeller just is, you know, tight. The wires here are tight, and it provides a perfect equilibrium. Yeah, I guess we're the Soviets today, because the Soviet Union. But I guess you know, let's fly this thing. It's a little bit heavy right now, but it should fly well. Maybe just fly helium. Why would we left helium in there? So there it is. Flies pretty smoothly. And yeah. So I want to practice flying my airship for a bit, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and knock this ping pong ball off of this stack of mini solo cups with the fin of the airship. So let's see how many times this takes. First try, first try. Knock the rest of this thing off too. Why not? It's happening. Come on. Yeah! Yeah! Down goes the solo cup.